I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm the tablet has at least 50% battery, and plug it in so the update won't stop. Backup photos, contacts, and app data to Google Drive or Lenovo Cloud before you touch system settings, because updates can reset configurations. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and turn off VPN and battery saver to avoid slow or blocked downloads. Once those prerequisites are set, open Settings and go to System Updates to fetch available packages. You now manage the core, tap Download or Install when the update appears, and monitor the percent to ensure steady progress. If the package is large, keep Wi-Fi active. Allow the device to reboot automatically because partial interrupts can corrupt the install. Read the changelog before confirming to see new permissions and features. This explains why settings might move. If prompted for a factory reset option, don't choose it yet. Only use Advanced Reset if update repeatedly fails. You finish by checking about tablet to confirm the Android version and review app behavior. Some apps need updates to match the new OS. If you see crashes, clear the cache partition from recovery mode to remove stale system files and then reboot. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after backing up everything, because that erases data but typically resolves stubborn issues. If the device fails to boot, use Lenovo recovery tools or seek authorized service as the key troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.